In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move objects from model space to layout in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed your model geometry or annotations to live directly on the sheet, so they plot cleanly at true paper size, this workflow is exactly what you want. Space is designed to move selected objects between model space and paper space through an active viewport, and it automatically adjusts scale so the objects look correct on the layout, no matter what the viewport scale is. Start by navigating to your Layout tab at the bottom of the AutoCAD window. This is where your sheet, title block, and viewports live. Once you are on the layout, double-click inside the viewport to make it active. You'll know it's active when the viewport border bolds and your crosshairs move inside. If you prefer using commands, you can type M-space and press Enter to activate the viewport as well. Make sure the viewport is showing the objects you intend to move. Space uses the current, active viewport as the window. For the transfer, now type space in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects. Click the items you want to move from model space to the layout. This can include line work, text, dimensions, and blocks. Select everything you need in one pass for a consistent result. Then press Enter to confirm your selection. AutoCAD immediately transfers those objects into paper space and applies the correct scaling automatically. That means what you see on the layout will match your sheet scale without you needing to calculate or edit sizes. Annotations will come in at a true paper size, while geometry will visually match what you saw through the viewport. To finish up, double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. At this point, the objects are now on the layout itself. Independent of the model view, they will plot at one relative to the sheet, and you can manage or align them with your title block as needed. If you no longer need those items in model space, you can remove them there to keep the file tidy. But only after confirming that everything looks correct on the layout. A quick reminder: Space operates through the active viewport, respects layer properties, and preserves object types. It's a clean, reliable way to make annotations or specific elements live on the sheet while the rest of your design stays in model space. Thanks for watching.